In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Shopee link. By the end, you'll be able to send a direct link to a specific product or a shop so others can open it instantly in their browser. First, open the Shopee website in your preferred web browser. Make sure you're on the correct regional version for your country so the link works properly for the person receiving it. If you land on a country selector, choose the region you want, then wait for the homepage to load completely. A stable internet connection helps the page render fully, which ensures the link you copy is accurate and functional. Next, open the product or shop you want to share. You can do this by typing the product name into the search bar or by clicking through categories and filters until you find the exact item. If you want to share a store instead of an individual item, click on the seller's name to go to their shop page. Take a moment to confirm you're on the right page and, if it's a product, that any important options like size or color are visible. This helps your recipient understand what they're looking at when they open the link. Once you're on the correct page, copy the URL from the address bar at the top of your browser. Click the address bar to highlight the full link, then copy it using your preferred method. Selecting the entire URL is important, especially on longer links that include tracking or filter information, because leaving out part of it might prevent the page from loading as expected for the person you share it with. Finally, paste and share the link wherever you need to. You can drop it into a chat, an email, a document, or a social post. When you paste, consider adding a short note for context, such as a quick description of the product, the price you saw, or why you're recommending it. This makes it easier for the recipient to know what to expect before they click. If you want to double-check that everything works, open a new tab or a private browsing window and paste the link there to preview it yourself. Many messaging apps and social platforms will also generate a small preview automatically, which can reassure you that the link is correct. That's all there is to it. Open the Shopee website, open the product or shop, copy the URL, then paste and share. With this simple process, you can quickly point friends, customers, or teammates to exactly what they need on Shopee.